Okay, let's go along the bottom. The very first thing that I see is this color. And I can go ahead and change the color by moving it around in the square or moving my color around in the circle. I can also choose different colors down at the bottom, ones that I use on a regular basis. So for right now, I want a dark color and I'm going to move to the next part. So next to the colors, there's a little brush or an eraser. That gives me the brush or the eraser for use. Then there's a swoosh mark. When I click the swoosh mark, I will find a whole bunch of brushes. This is something that you can change, and I'm going to show you how to change the brush so that it's solid, kind of like these top ones up here. So anytime that I want to change one, I'm going to click on it so it gets blue all the way around it and then hit the word edit. Now to make it a solid line, like what I was just showing you, you're going to go, I'm going to show you this again, all the way to the right and one back. Yours might not look exactly like that, but we're going to change it anyways. So all the way to the right and then one back. Then we're moving the hardness to 100, intensity to 100, the angles to 100, spacing is at a 0, jitters at a 0, scatter is at a 0, and then I'm going to scoot down and do dynamics all in the center. Doesn't have to be 100% right, but somewhere in the center like this. So go ahead and look at that again, hardness, intensity, and angle up to the highest, and spacing, jitter, and scatter down to the lowest, and then these three at the bottom are all in the center. Once we have our brush nice and solid, we're going to move on. I can make that brush large or small by moving this little bar down at the bottom. If I make a line that I'm not happy with, there's two squiggle lines. This one's undo, this one's redo, so I can undo or redo. That's the base of the bottom. I'm going to show you the next